How to buy an apartment in France. If you're thinking about buying an apartment in France, there are several things to consider before you start your search. Before you search, ask yourself these questions: 1. Budget. 2. Present savings. 3. Preferred location. 4. Size preference. 5. Other preference like terrace, balcony, car parking, cave, etc.
Searching for property. Find reputable real estate agents who specializes in the area where you want to buy. You can also check in websites. Visit apartment once you have listed apartments you wish to buy. You can visit the apartments by taking appointments with agents or seller directly. Make inquiries. The area of the property measured by the seller. Real estate diagnostics to be provided in case of sale. Check the condition of the common areas. Maintenance fees applicable, whether to be paid monthly, quarterly or yearly. The descriptive state of the lot. Amount of co-ownership charges, payment for work voted on or likely to be voted on. Ask minutes of the last general meetings. Check with the city planning department. Find out about the foreseeable evolution of the neighborhood and the public easements or city planning constraints that weigh on the housing. Inquire about the expected amount of local taxes. Housing tax, property tax. If all good, voila, make an offer. It's the time to negotiate a bit. To know secret tips of successful negotiation, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Always at your disposal. Enter into preliminary contract after the seller accepts your offer. A preliminary sales contract, called compromise de vente, is prepared. This contract outlines the terms of the sale, including the purchase price, deposit amount, conditions, and timeline. Maximum time period of this contract is 90 days. Important. Cooling off period and deposit. In France, there is typically a cooling off period of 10 days during which you can withdraw from the sale without penalty. You will be required to pay a deposit, usually around 5 to 10% of the purchase price, at this stage. After 10th day, if you cancel your purchase, pay penalty. Financing. Contact banks or mortgage brokers to explore your options. Look into the various mortgage loans. Sign the loan offer note. You can give up your purchase, free of charge. If I don't get the loan, if the sale does not take place, you can cancel the loan and get back your initial deposit. Insurance. You need to also look into a home insurance. If the dwelling is part of a condominium, inquire about damage covered by co-ownership insurance.
Signing final contract once the cooling off period has passed and all necessary checks and inspections are completed. A final sales contract, known as acte de vente, is prepared and signed by both parties in the presence of a notary. Notary and legal process. In France, a notary plays a crucial role in property transactions. They ensures the legal transfer of ownership, conducts searches, and handles the payment of taxes and fees. The notary's fees are typically paid by the buyer. Completion and transfer. On the agreed completion date, the remaining balance is paid, and the property officially transfers into your name. The notary registers the transfer with the relevant authorities. Finally, check into ongoing obligations. After the purchase, you will be responsible for paying property taxes, maintenance fees, if applicable, and other ongoing expenses related to the apartment. Wishing you a happy and safe investment. Please feel free to comment your reviews about this video. Your likes and comments are my satisfaction and encouragement. Thank you.